All right, for today's video, we're going to the penitentiary. No, just kidding. We're going back to the South Florida Fair.
I'm Apple.
And I'm Rob. Join us as we seek out new adventures and escape the 9-to-5 grind.
We travel by land, sea, and air, searching for fun adventures, best-kept secrets, culinary delights, and tasty craft beers.
New episodes weekly.
Thanks for remembering to subscribe. Check out this horrible traffic. It's 81 degrees. It's a glorious day. Hardly any clouds in the sky. It's not humid. The perfect day to go to a fair. It's the last day of the South Florida Fair. I've been dying to check out the Yesteryear Village every time we come, and I never get to. And I told Robert we weren't meeting up with our friends yet until I've seen every single house in that area. It's like Disney. They take a shuttle to get here. Everybody wants to take your photos.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
They have that hardcore security here, you know?
Oh, yeah.
Pickle barrel sirloin tips.
Really good stuff.
Oh, yeah. Donuts.
Oh, my God. Those free samples.
Oh, awesome. Oh, cool. Thank you.
It's so warm.
That's satisfying.
Oh, yeah. Look at that, huh?
Oh, my God. I'm going to have to come back later.
Huh. Old-fashioned ice cream milkshakes. And that's the way they made ice cream.
That is crazy.
Yeah.
So the thing was running and it was churning it in that ice bucket.
Yeah.
That's cool. So all of these structures, houses or churches, were somewhere else in Florida, built obviously, like you said, somewhere in the early 1900s or whatever.
Yeah. Generally Palm Beach County, I think.
Yeah. And they were all brought here. Like this house was cut in half and brought here, and then they put it back together. It was built, let's see, 1904, 1905 is when it was built.
Let's get some more food.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at this. It's the boat motor shop.
Oh, cool. Wow, look at these outboards. Look at that, Evan Rood.
Yeah.
How cool is that?
How you guys doing today?
Good.
Having fun out here playing my fiddle. That was Soldier's Joy I was playing.
Yeah.
We'll do one called Over the Waterfall. So we don't have much waterfall here, but we got water.
Fountain. Water fountain, good enough.
I joined this fire department back in 1919. That was before these two trucks were even here. We got these two trucks in 1924. They was on the 23 budget, but you know how that goes. So we got them in 24. This one's 23 and that one is a 24. And before we got these two trucks in, we didn't have no trucks here. Everything we had fire equipment, but it was all horse-drawn, so you can't really call them trucks. So then in 24, we was able to mechanize around here and got these new modern trucks to help us get the job done here in the village.
over again until you keep building up layers, huh?
This is what I'm gonna take home.
Oh, cool.
I'm just keeping like the size of birthday candle.
Oh, perfect. So are all these machines
Operational, yeah.
from
1940 and back.
that's when they actually made stuff to last?
That's the bottom line.
It's cool. So my dad was an apprentice blacksmith back in late 50s, early 60s-ish in Italy. So that's pretty cool. I can't wait to show him that video.
Yeah.
Horses like you.
You like being tucked behind the ears? You like beer?
He's like 20 years old, huh? All right, so Yesteryear Village is open year-round, not just during the fair, so you can come check it out. I think the tickets are really cheap per person. It's really cool. So we got some ride tickets left. Let's go on some rides.
Look at that. You're afraid of her?
Yes.
No.
My heart's pounding.
This is Tsunami.
How was it?
Her name is Tsunami.
Tsunami.
We call her Sue for short.
Okay.
So what kind is it?
She's a South American boa.
A boa.
She looks a lot like a Colombian redtail, but she's
Yeah.
actually not.
Okay.
And she's about 8 to 10 years old. She's not fully grown. She's only about 6 feet, and they get about 7 feet.
Yeah.
And if they're really lucky and you happen to get one that grows bigger, the
Yeah.
most it'll grow is about 8 feet, unless you get a really odd one, which is quite rare. Yeah, that's what I would like that.
She's just inspecting, seeing what's going on. I gotcha.
Rob also got me to get on the chairlift. I'm like deathly afraid of heights. I don't know how this guy gets me to go on these rides.
'Cause I'm your husband. You're fine.
Not a fan of this.
You're not a fan of what?
No.
See? We're good. Look at that, huh? Wow.
All right, I don't want to go on the Ferris wheel. Let's try this again and see if I'm braver this time.
Yeah.
It was going really slow yesterday.
Yeah, when we were here last night, you didn't want to.
I was freaking out. Like, I didn't think about it going on purpose because I know I would freak out beforehand and not go. But I think as we got up to the highest point, it suddenly dawned on me that we're always in the air.
Yeah. You want to swing it?
No, I'll kill you. Please don't. I'm good right now. Don't let me freak out. Let me breathe through this one. Go Patriots! Woo!
Yeah.
Dude, I may or may not have done some sketchy things for some beads. I realize it's probably going to be more romantic if I sat next to you, but I think I'm going to hang on like this.
What do you think? Look at that view, huh? Wow. This is one of my favorite rides.
Yeah. All right. I didn't need to drink a beer before getting on this, so that's good.
Hell no.
What do you want to do next? I don't want to go on those spinny upside down rides. Should we get a big bag?
All right, so that was fun.
Oh no.
Baby.
That would have sucked. I caught it.
You need
It slipped.
All right.
All right.
Time to head out, and we'll be back next year. And we'll see you on our next adventure.
Don't forget to subscribe so you get notified next time.
Absolutely.